Understanding Polish Adjectives Part 1. Just like in English, the default position of Polish adjectives is before the modified word. Unlike in English, each adjective can assume a number of forms. This is done by changing the adjective's ending. This depends on three variables: number, gender, and case. Please look at the table. Number, singular, and plural, gender, masculine, feminine, neuter, masculine personal, non-masculine personal. In Polish, we have 7 cases: nominative, genitive, dative, accusative, instrumental, locative, vocative. Polish adjectives always change the forms to agree with the gender, number, and case of the word they modify, and in most cases the modified word is a noun. Each adjective has a considerable number of possible endings. The declination is actually very regular. This means that once you interanalyze the general pattern, you will be able to decline any adjective with little effort, even if you have never seen it before. Number and gender of Polish adjectives. Adjectives accompanying singular masculine nouns usually have the ending y. Na przykład czarny samochód, black car. However, when preceded by certain consonants, mostly k or g, and in some cases also n or p, the default hard ending becomes a soft e. Na przykład drogi samochód, expensive car. Both czarny and drogi are basic lexical forms. You can expect to find them as the adjective's entry in a dictionary. They can be described with the following variables: singular number, masculine gender, nominative case. If you change any of the 3 variables, the ending will likely change as well. For example, if instead of singular masculine noun, we pair the very same adjective with the singular feminine one, the adjective stem will receive the ending a, rarely ia. Na przykład czarna sukienka, black dress, droga sukienka, expensive dress. Likewise, for adjectives modifying singular neutral nouns, the attached ending is e or ie. Na przykład czarne biurko, black desk, drogie auto, expensive car. The 2 plural forms, one used with the masculine personal nouns and one used with all other nouns, have regular endings as well. Here is a complete table with all nominative endings and handful of examples. Please study the table carefully. In the next film, grammatical case of Polish adjectives. That's all for today. See you later, Poland. You stay classy.